Ever been to a Korean restaurant? Of course you have. But did you ever wish that you could possibly somehow order in Korean and speak Korean to the server? Hi guys, my name's Kenji. 안녕하세요. 제 이름은 켄지고요. Please click subscribe to help me spread Korean culture. And welcome back to Teach Me Korean Tuesday. And today we are going to learn the basic phrases that you can use in a restaurant. Intro. Okay, so imagine you're in Korea, or at least Koreatown, and you walk into a restaurant. The first thing you would do is tell the server how many people you guys have. They're probably gonna ask you, 몇 분이세요? Which means, how many people are in your party? And you respond with 한 명이요, which is one person. 두 명이요, two people. 세 명이요, three people. 네 명이요, four people. 다섯 명이요, five people. And let's just do up to five, okay? Because we could go up to infinite numbers. And now, let's say you sit down and you're gonna need a menu. So you ask for the menu. You say, 메뉴 좀 부탁드릴게요. 메뉴 좀 부탁드릴게요. 메뉴 좀 부탁드릴게요. Which means, can we please have the menu? And you're looking at the menu, opening it up, seeing some good foods, and then you realize that there's something that you don't know. So you ask the server, you point at it and ask, 이건 뭐예요? 이건 뭐예요? 이건 뭐예요? Which means, what is this? And then they explain yada yada yada. And since Korean food tend to be spicy, you could ask, 이거 매운가요? 이거 매운가요? 이거 매운가요? Which means, is this spicy? And after you picked a menu that you like, you can say something something 주세요. Let's say, for instance, 비빔밥 주세요. 불고기 주세요. Or you could point at it and say, 이거 주세요. 이거 주세요. Which means, can I have this? And now the server is gone, you're waiting for the food, and let's say you want to go to the restroom. So you ask, 화장실은 어디에 있나요? 화장실은 어디에 있나요? 화장실은 어디에 있나요? Which is, where is the restroom? And then you come back and the side dishes are already set up, you're eating those, and your food's arrived. And of course you have to say 감사합니다, which means thank you. But there's a side dish that you really like and you've been eating it a lot and you want more of it. And you can ask by pointing and say 이거 더 주세요. 이거 더 주세요. 이거 더 주세요. Which means, can I get more of this? And you're eating, the food's really good, you're chatting with your friends, having a good time, and you finished eating, and now it's time to pay. And in Korea, usually you go up to the counter to pay, and when you're paying, you ask, 얼마예요? 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 Which means, how much is it? And they're gonna respond with something something one, and you can hand them your card or cash and say 여기 있어요. 여기 있어요. 여기 있어요. Which means my money's right here. And pro tip, be sure to sneak in a thank you for the meal in there to be extra nice and polite, which is 잘 먹었습니다. 잘 먹었습니다. 잘 먹었습니다. And you promptly leave the restaurant with a happy stomach. So that's some phrases that you can use in a restaurant, and make sure you know your allergies and you know your food, because especially if you have a nut allergy, some of Korean food contain peanuts and they might not tell you that it includes peanuts in the menu, so watch out for that. And some restaurants might not have a English translation on the menus, so you might have to say 이거 뭐예요 a lot, but you'll probably get by if you're not super picky about your food, because you know everything in Korea is pretty good. And even if you don't remember all these phrases, 주세요 is the key, which means please give me. So point at something and say 주세요. 주세요. If all goes to hell, just remember 주세요. 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 I really hope that was helpful for you guys. I don't know if it was. Please let me know if you have any more questions about the Korean language, and I'll try to cover it in the next episode. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because what are you doing? You have to help me out. Help me spread Korean culture and K-pop and all that good stuff. Come on now, join the fam. And comment something nice, like the video, because it helps with the algorithm, I think. Who knows? And I will see you guys tomorrow on Weekly K-pop Wednesday, where we talk about the K-pop idol news that's happened within the last week. And if you didn't know, we're doing BTS V's blue hair for our next K-pop hair episode. So look out for that. And thank you guys for voting. Your vote counts. Stay hydrated. Bye.